Instagram has recently released a new feature that is set to change the way we communicate with our friends and followers on the platform. Introducing Instagram Notes, a powerful new tool that allows users to leave notes in their friends' and followers' inboxes, making it easier than ever to stay connected and share your thoughts and ideas. With Instagram Notes, you can easily share your thoughts and ideas with anyone who follows you or is a close friend on the platform. To start using Instagram Notes, simply open your Instagram app and navigate to your direct messages section. From there, you'll see a new option to leave note. Once you click on this option, you'll be able to type in whatever you want to share with your friends and followers. You can also choose who you want to share the note with, whether it's just your close friends or all of your followers. And when you're ready, simply click Share to post your note. Your friends and followers will then be able to see your note in their inboxes and can choose to respond to it or delete it as they wish. And with Instagram's new note feature, you'll never have to worry about missing an important message or thought again. But that's not all. Instagram Notes also gives you the ability to add a personal touch to your messages. You can include things like emojis, hashtags, and even images to make your notes stand out and grab your friends and followers' attention. So why wait? Start using Instagram Notes today and experience the power of seamless communication on the world's largest social media platform. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to make the most out of Instagram and other social media platforms.